In fact, I'm going to give you two defenses that don't just fail here, they'll make the judge want to delete your soul from his docket. Trap number one, sovereign citizen arguments. I don't consent. I'm traveling. I hate to tell you, this doesn't work. It irritates the court, and in fact, many times it results in the judge wanting to make an example of someone. And then trap number two, the right to travel means there are no traffic laws.
All right. So I've heard people make this comment, I'm not traveling, I'm driving. You're making arguments. Once again, what we do is put things in writing. We're not doing all this. We're not doing this. If you want to pull me over and detain me, you're violating my religious rights. You're violating my constitutional rights. You're violating my civil rights. And I'm going to charge you for every minute that you violate my rights. This is a business transaction. We're going to make money today, sir. We're going to see who make the most. So in closing, when you hear people talking, don't make that sovereign citizen claim. And don't listen. The people who you see doing it in the videos, first of all, they're not doing it in a right manner. I'm going to give you an example of something that actually happened to me where I saw somebody get arrested in court. I had a situation where these cops wanted to try to keep forcing a traffic ticket on me. And I had sent them notices and they weren't responding. And I took those notices with a witness with me every time I took a notice to let them know that if you continue with this, you will be sued. And so when I went into this court, there was this other guy, there were several people testifying about how fraudulent they were being. It was madness. They were claiming, he claimed I was speeding when I was behind somebody. And there was another guy in the court that said the same thing. He was like, I was following my friend from North Carolina. I was right behind him. How are you saying you caught me speeding when I was behind somebody else? Same thing happened to me. I wasn't following somebody, but it was like you couldn't have caught me speeding because I was behind somebody the whole time. So there was just a lot of fraud going on. And my whole thing was, okay, I'm ready to stand up to this. So I go in and there was another guy before me and he said the exact same thing I was going to say. He's like, you don't have jurisdiction. I'm an authorized representative and he was talking and the judge got upset with him and arrested him. Took him to the back. And I was like, well, I'm going to say what I got to say. I'm going to say the exact same thing he said. And now a little bit, I was intimidated a little bit, but you're not going to make me not stand on my rights. So he did some things that I didn't do, like he walked in a place where I don't walk. And then he also didn't put on record his trust. Let me hold it up again because some people not getting it. He didn't have a trust. I had already let them know what my jurisdiction was. And even though the judge want to talk big and bad and, he tried to swear me in. I was like, I'm not under your jurisdiction. I have not agreed to any kind of trial. I told him that as he was trying to, do you swear to trial? No, they don't swear to nothing. I'm not under your jurisdiction. So I said the exact same thing. I'm the authorized representative. You don't have jurisdiction. I've shown you my trust. I put everything on record, blah, blah, blah. Well, I find you guilty. And he said, you need to come over here and sign these documents from the clerk. Remember, he needs my signature. Y'all getting it? He needed my signature. I said, I'm not signing anything. I'm out. And so I left. Now, I said the exact same thing that guy before me said, but the difference is I didn't stand and walk where he walked, like he was trying to get me to come in there and sign something inside of it where they could say beyond the bar and go and talk to the clerk. I'm not talking to nobody. I'm out. Why did I get to walk out and he didn't? So what I'm saying to you is the trust is real. What I'm saying to you is standing on your rights is real. And no, they never came on me about this because I didn't sign anything. For one, I didn't agree to their jurisdiction. I had already put them on notice about who I was and shown them the trust. They didn't have authority to be trying to take anything. So with that being said, I hope you've heard this information and I hope it has resonated with you. For all two of y'all who stayed, thank you. Congratulations. Use this information because I want to give you a gift tonight. Use it. Go and study. Don't believe what I say, but go and study and trust. Trust in this trust that it's going to help you to a high degree. All right.
Remember to keep that bell on for notifications. Follow UNA Republic for more great information.